Welcome back, and in this video I'll be teaching you how to customize your workspace. First, you can click Window, Workspace, and there are a few presets over here. For audio, Window, Workspace, Color Correction. And if you want to change back to the normal workspace, is Editing. You can also remove panels by just clicking Close. Close. If you are missing any panels from your workspace, you can just click Window and find the panel you're missing out. For example, metadata was closed and it appeared up here. If you want it to appear down here, you can just drag it down over here. You can also drag the source or the effects control or the audio mixer down, just dragging it down. If you drag it to the middle, nothing will happen. You can drag it to the side. You can even adjust the size of each panel by dragging the lines. If you like this workspace, you can save the workspace by clicking Window, Workspace, New Workspace, and name it and press OK. Okay, for example, if you change your workspace, audio, it will be different. You can load your previous workspace by just clicking on the name you created. Now you can see if you click Window, Workspace, Editing, it's the same thing. You can do by clicking Reset Current Workspace. Yes, and it will go back to the original way it looked. And that's how you customize your workspace. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video tutorial.